We lost $3 million.
How could we lose $3 million in the deal?
The contractor fees for the remodeling is more than $3 million by itself.
Slavanovich, how could you work such a bad deal?
He's blaming it on the soft economy.
Soft economy?
He says we will recover it all when he sells his homeless solution to the government.
The government?
Yes, sir. The government is looking for a way to spend the extra $2 trillion they saved in the latest budget deal. What better way than to build the homeless doorway shelters in every city?
Sounds like the government.
If they are going to spend the taxpayers' money, they may as well go all the way.
I'd like to have a way. I'd go all the way if there was a way. You want to go all the way, honey bun?
Oh, Mr. Pennypucker.
Or should I say money buns? Why don't you and I make a bankroll?
Oh, my.
We could just take a roll in the bank. Spread your money on the vault floor and roll in all that dough.
Mr. Pennypucker.
Or we could take the dough and make some rolls. Start a bakery. It's got to be a better business than a bank.
The numbers don't add up. We're bankrupt.
Sit down, Jameson. There's nothing to worry about. We have the backing of the federal government.
That's what I'm worried about.
And they're backed by the full trust and faith of the American people.
We're sunk.
Corners. What am I saying? The trust and faith of the American people, you can't trust them.